I personally have a small concern that digital twin could, if we're not careful, become another screen-based abstraction, similar to how you can sometimes see people at concerts viewing the artist through their mobile phone. I think this speaks to a wider discussion about how we allow technology to mediate our relations with the wider world, and also how we safeguard our health and well-being in an increasingly digitized world.
The most insidious thing is that it gradually robotizes the world, and instead of having to make any effort at all, the building just looks after us. You're not allowed to open the window, it's all self-contained, and you become infantilized by it.
The question about the digital twins is who controls the data, which is the base for the digital twins. And if the contractors and the clients are not sure whether they are the full control of the data, then this could be a problem.
As we build a digital twin environment, whether it's around our infrastructure, around our residential assets, or around our public service environments, we are creating something which is infinitely informative to anybody that wants to do something bad to one of those assets. So I think cybersecurity for me at the moment is one of the biggest threats that I'm not really seeing addressed in the sector.
It would be awful if actually these digital twins fell into the wrong hands and started to get exploited and manipulated.
Twins, as we've enshrined in the white paper, have to be citizen-centric and they have to be open and transparent. It's not about having an excuse to monitor and surveillance where we are and making sure we're behaving properly. Far from it. We actually have to have open data that's secure and is being used for the purpose that we intended it for.
The concerns I actually have are in terms of people not actually embracing this new technology and actually accepting that everyone else in all the other industries, are embracing this opportunity. And I think my biggest fear is that actually in the construction industry we don't actually realize how important and how valuable digital twinning is.
A lot of people are already talking about digital twins and already say that they're delivering them, but we haven't yet worked out what good practice looks like. When it comes to the standards, the rules, the guidance, the commons, the way that we do things in a consistent way, we haven't worked any of those things out yet. Without them, there's a risk that if we develop a digital twin now, it might not be fit for purpose in the next couple of decades.